quad shoppers, I want to show you these really great ATV ramps. I use them to get the quad on and off of the truck. It's so great and convenient. I'm going to show you them in use and then I'll get into product specifications. So these are really great ramps because they're connected in the middle and that helps to keep everything a lot more stable. I also love that they've got the Sure Grip feet on the top of the ramp where it meets with the tailgate of your truck. Another really great feature of this are the serrated rungs that you see. They have great traction for your tires and they allow everything to have a good sturdy grip. These things are really great for taking your ATV off your truck or the trailer if you need to. I love that it's got a 1,200 pound capacity, so you can put a pretty decent sized ATV on here. And they fold down to 1/3 of the size, which is great for storage because you can just fold them up and tuck them into the side of your truck. They come with 2 included security straps. So I'm going to disassemble this and show you how easily everything folds up. The straps underneath have a little tab that you depress and then the straps will come loose. And then the fold is really easy. Make sure you tuck your straps in. So let's take a close-up look at the features of this really great ramp. You can see that it's got the 2 sides with the rungs in the middle, ladder style, nice and wide to accommodate the tires of your ATV. It's got this finger-style grip system here for going on the back of your truck like this, and it's got a special grip coating on it so that it's going to grab onto the back of your truck nice and securely. Here's a close-up view of the safety hooks that you would then attach underneath to your hitch of your truck, and you can see it's got nice solid construction here. I'll show you the hinges up close here. There's one of the hinges right there. There's another one not covered by the strap. So you've got good solid construction and a very reliable, durable product. We've had this one in our family for probably the last 5 years or so. We've had tons of quads on and off of our vehicle with this. Never a problem. And we love the convenience of the trifold because it just tucks away in your truck with no problems whatsoever. This is a really great product and we have gotten tons of use out of it.